Hello, good morning student. Myself Veena, Assistant Professor, Government Science College. Last class we have studied about laws of logarithm. In this class we solve some problems on laws of logarithm. First one, find log of 16 root 8 to the base 2. Here it is in the form of log mn to the base a, that is equal to log of m plus log of n to the base a. So here 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4 and here it is 8 to the power 1 by 2. Again 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3, so it is equal to 2 to the power 3 by 2. And we know one more, log of m to the power n to the base a is equal to n log m. So it is equal to 4 log 2 to the base 2 and 3 by 2 log 2 to the base 2. But if here 2 is there, base is also 2 and this is also 2, so its value is 1. So 4 plus, again this value is 1, that is 4 plus 3 by 2, that is equal to 11 by 2. This one you know. So 4 2s are 8 plus 3 by 2, that is equal to 11 by 2. Second one, log of 4th root of 25 divided by 625 to the base 5. So 4th root of 25 to the base 5 minus 625 to the base 5. So it can be written as 4th root means 1 by 4 of log 5 square to the base 5 and log of 5 to the power of 4 base 5. So that is equal to 2 by 4 log of 5 to the base 5 and this is minus 4 of log of 5 to the base 5. So again log of 5 to the base 5 is 1 and log of 5 to the base 5 is 1. So it is 2 by 4 is 1 by 2 and this value is 1, this value is 1, so 1 by 2 minus 4, that is nothing but 1 minus 8 by 2, that is minus 7 by 2. Next one, find x such that log of 256 to the base 32 is equal to x. So it can be expressed in index form, that is 32 to the power x is equal to 256. So express these two in with base 2, that is 2 to the power of 5 is nothing but 32 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 8. So 2 to the power 5x is equal to 2 to the power 8 or 5x is equal to 8 or x is equal to 8 by 5. Similarly, this example, log of x to the base 4 is equal to minus 3. If you express in index form, x is equal to 4 to the power minus 3 or x is equal to 1 by 4 to the power 3. Since minus 3 power is minus, we take this to denominator, or that is equal to x is equal to 1 by 64. Next one, if log of x minus 2 log 6 by 7 is equal to 1 by 2 log 81 by 16 minus log of 27 by 196. Find x. Here the base is not denoted, means it is a common base, that is base 10. Okay, find x. So I can write this as log x is equal to, I kept log x in the LHS and all other in the RHS, that is 2 log 6 by 7 because minus is there, plus 1 by 2 log 81 by 16 minus log 27 by 196. Next, so that is equal to log of 6 by 7 whole square plus here 1 by 2 log of 9 by 4 square. minus log of 27 by 196. So that is equal to log of 36 by 49 and plus, take this 2 to this side, that is log of m to the power n is equal to n log m. So 2 by 2 log of 9 by 4 minus log of 27 by 196. So that is equal to log of m plus log of n is equal to log of m, this get cancels, m into n, log of m minus log n is equal to m by n, that is it becomes into, that means 196 by 27 because m by n. So this is equal to 9 ones are 9 threes are 49 ones are 49 fours are 4 ones are 4 ones are 3 ones are 3 12s are. So remains only log of 12. Okay. Next one, sixth one. If log of x plus 1 plus log of x minus 1 is equal to log 3, find x. So now log of x plus 1 plus log of x minus 1 equals to log 3. Log of m into log plus log n is equal to log m into n equals to log 3. So log x square minus 1 is equal to log 3, or x square minus, both side log x square minus 1 log 3 is there, removing log x square minus 1 is equal to 3. So x square is equal to 4 or x equals to plus or minus 2. But x equals to 2 because x is not equal to minus 2 because log of any number is non-negative. Okay. Next one, seventh one. Which is greater log of 3 to the base 2 or log of 5 to the base 1 by 2? Which is greater? For that, to find out the value of log of 3 to the base 2 and log of 5 to the base 1 by 2. So, to log of 3 base 2 is 2 as x denote. This implies that 2 to the power x is equal to 3. 2 to the power x equal to 3 implies that x is greater than 1. Okay. Next, log of 5 to the base 1 by 2 is equal to y. Denote this as 1. That means 1 by 2 to the power y is equal to 5. So 1 by 2 to the power 5, y is equal to 5 means y is less than 1. Therefore, log of 3 to the base 2 is greater than log of 5 to the base 1 by 2, because x is greater, this value is greater than 1 and this is less than 1, so it's log of 3 to the base 2 is greater than log of 5 to the base 1 by 2. Next one, if log of root 1 plus x to the base 10 plus 3 log of root 1 minus x to the base 10 is equal to log of root 1 minus x square to the base 10 plus 2. Find x. So that is log of 1 plus x to the power 1 by 2 to the base 10 plus, so it can be written as log of 1 minus x to the base 3 by 2 of base 10 is equal to log of 1 minus x square to the base power 1 by 2 of base 10 plus 2. So base 2 can be written as, this can be written as log of 100 to the base 10. So because 100 can be written as 10 square, so 10 it becomes 2. Now all bases are same, so log of m plus log of n is equal to log of mn. Is equal to, so 100 into 1 minus x square raised to 1 by 2, because here also we have written 2 as log of 100 to the base 10. So here also we have to write log of 10. Okay, now log of 10 cancelling both sides, so this is equal to 1 plus x raised to 1 by 2. This can be written as 1 minus x raised to 1 by 2, 1 minus x. 3 by 2 means 1 minus x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 1 minus x, that is equal to 100 into 1 minus x square raised to 1 by 2. So 1 plus x into 1 minus x, 1 minus x square raised to 1 by 2 into 1 minus x is equal to 100 into 1 minus x square raised to 1 minus 2. Both sides get cancels. 1 minus x equal to 100, or minus x is equal to 99, or x is equal to minus 99, which is not existing. So let us some more examples in the next class. Thank you.